Welcome to Ledger Shift AI. If you're working as an accountant in corporate accounting, you already know the grind. You know the routine, the endless number crunching, the impossible compliance hurdles, the reconciliations, the approvals. It's tough work, but what if all of that was about to change through smarter technology and AI? What if a massive shift powered by AI is happening right now that will end up reshaping the role of modern accountants? Let's dive into what that really looks like across today's AI-enabled finance organizations. We're all feeling the crushing weight of compliance, while a lot of us are stuck with old, clunky systems. Something has to give. The old way isn't sustainable anymore, as expectations for finance keep rising. And that something giving us a new path forward is AI, redefining what modern finance teams can achieve. Now look, it's easy to think AI is a threat that will automate accountants right out of existence. But leaders see it as an unprecedented opportunity to unlock entirely new strategic capabilities. It's about being elevated. This isn't some far-off idea. It's already unfolding today within leading finance teams. 50%. That's the drop in manual activities as AI and automation transform finance workflows. Imagine cutting manual data entry and reconciliation in half, shifting finance from processing numbers to shaping strategy. What could you do with all of that extra time to create value across the entire organization? AI's first job is to be the ultimate automation engine, freeing finance professionals to focus on strategy. It takes over repetitive tasks that eat up your time, freeing accountants to focus on analysis and strategy. AI frees you up from much more important things, including strategic planning, scenario analysis, and executive communication. Think about the monthly close, which is the most stressful time when accounting teams race against deadlines. AI handles reconciliations and drafts financials automatically, helping finance teams close the books faster and with confidence. For FP&A folks, predictive analytics boost accuracy by 35%, turning historical data into forward-looking financial insight. When it comes to audit prep, we're seeing firms save over 500 hours a year by automating evidence collection. AI cuts expense management processing time in half, automating receipt capture, categorization, approvals, and reconciliation across finance systems. This is a total overhaul of how the work gets done, shifting finance teams toward analysis, insight, and strategy. Think of AI as your new junior analyst, that one team member who never sleeps or needs a coffee break. AI gives you the first pass so you can provide senior insight, judgment, and strategic interpretation. So what's left for the human accountant to do now that machines handle so much of the work? This is going to be a real opportunity. Now it's all about being freed up to focus on strategy and insight. You're shifting from a historian to a strategic guide, turning financial insight into forward-looking decisions. On the left, the accountant of yesterday, buried in paper, focused on recording history instead of shaping strategy. On the right, the accountant of tomorrow, a business partner guiding leadership with insight, foresight, and strategy. It's the difference between the rearview mirror and the road ahead, deciding among reporting history and shaping future decisions. Your value is about explaining what the report means and turning financial data into actionable decisions. You become the strategic interpreter, translating financial data into insight that guides leadership decisions and shapes the company's future direction. Time goes back into high-value strategic work, enabling finance leaders to anticipate risk and opportunity before it impacts performance. Proactive tax planning that saves real money by turning compliance work into forward-looking strategy that protects cash flow. Running complex what-if scenarios for the C-suite to evaluate risk, forecast outcomes, and guide critical strategic decisions. Finance stops being a cost center and becomes a driver. But how do you do it? You need a new set of skills, combining finance knowledge with AI and analytics. Step 1. Start using AI in your daily routine. Use tools like Copilot to draft or summarize communications to send to stakeholders and customers. Step 2. Think of AI as your own personal tutor. Ask it to explain accounting and finance standards or write complex Excel scripts. Step 3. Double down on your human skills. Communication, critical thinking, and adaptability will always be paramount in conjunction with AI skills. Data storytelling. explaining what the numbers mean, why they matter, and what leadership should do next. The future is about creating a powerful partnership between finance professionals and intelligent machines that amplify decision-making power. Are you ready to write the narrative that defines the future role of accountants in an AI-driven world? If so, let's move forward. Please help us grow this channel. Like and subscribe to LedgerShift AI. Thanks for watching.